Hello, everybody, and happy 2026. Can you believe it? It is here, and we are already about 2 weeks into it. I hope the new year has felt good for you so far. I know it can come along with a lot of excitement and opening of new expectations and new experiences and just a fresh start, which always feels good. And with that, I thought it would be appropriate to create a new journal page since it is a new year. So I'm going at that right now. As you know, I'm building a art journal, an Unbound art journal here, and page by page I'm building it up, and it's becoming quite robust and quite thick. So I'm really excited about that. At the end of last year, so just a couple weeks ago, I launched my Unbound journal course, which I was thrilled about, very excited. I've been getting some good feedback on it, so thank you all who have signed up. And if you're interested, I'll leave the link below if you want to hear more about it. But the idea here is that I am just building up pages, and I don't really have an end in sight. And that's the beauty of doing an Unbound journal, is I don't have to go page by page. I can kind of just create as I want. So yeah, this is my first page here in 2026. I got a little bit of a late start. We had a trip to Denmark planned after Christmas, which we went on, and that was amazing. Denmark is a beautiful country, beautiful people, just all around a great time there. We went to Legoland up in Billund with my family, which was amazing. So fun, and just like I said, Denmark, I'm just blown away. It was just a beautiful place. And before that, I had to make a unplanned trip back to the States, and that also went quite well. But needless to say, I'm happy with all these travels and holidays. I'm happy to be back and get into a routine and get back to my art and my journal pages here. So I'm just going at this with the approach of, I'm just like I always do, just layer by layer. I'm brought in some color with some of those paints there, and I'm working on a piece of chipboard here, so it's a little bit thicker. Just I'm going to do a little bit of free writing, nothing planned here, but just going to get some words down, get some thoughts for the new year, and a little note to myself as I move forward. I always like to leave a little note for myself at the beginning of the year and revisit it again at the end of the year and just kind of see how far I've come and what I've been up to. So how have you guys been? What have you been up to? Where did you go on the holidays, if anywhere? Was it a slow, peaceful holiday season for you, or was it kind of robust and a little crazy? I know holidays can be a little bit of a mixed bag. So I hope you got through it, and I hope you are excited about the new year and all of the possibilities that are going to emerge this year and are going to happen this year. It's really, really exciting to think of a fresh start and a fresh new year. I've been brainstorming a couple of projects that I hope to share with you guys very soon. Some of them are related to journaling and kind of like a journaling community. So I'm trying to brainstorm what that might look like and if anyone would be interested. I'm also thinking through some new ideas for this channel and some new approaches that I kind of want to explore in the new year here. So stay tuned. There's some things coming. But also, as I say that, I also am trying not to overload my plate too much. I really want to be intentional about doing more offline things like reading and learning some new things, learning new projects, and getting back out into nature a little bit more. So all these things, as you know, in a new year, you kind of just have these expectations of shifting a few things. And so for me, I really, really want to kind of spend more time offline and see how that feels for me. So far, it's been feeling amazing. There's been a lot going on in the news and such, so it's been nice to kind of channel my focus towards other things. All right, now we begin the fun part of building up the layers, which I like to do in these journal pages, just one by one, pulling some random papers and just creating some movement and some additional color. If you're watching and you keep an art journal, I would love to know, like, what does it look like? Is it large like this one is? Is it smaller? Do you carry it with you when you travel, or is it something that you keep at home? What kind of materials do you like to use? I'm always curious what other people enjoy creating in their journals. There's so many different ways to go about this, so feel free to use mine as inspiration and create your own method. I would love to hear about it. Because some of these papers are a little bit thicker, I'm just using a standard, like an Elmer's glue type. It's a little bit thicker. Otherwise, I really enjoy using matte medium, but this sometimes holds the papers down a little bit better because it's a little thicker. All right, so I printed out this photo of me. This is actually quite an old photo image of me, but I thought it would be fun to incorporate that in. And then I also collected some magazines when I went back to the States, which I had missed quite a bit being here in Europe. So I grabbed some, and then I just cut out a couple of the statements that I liked, or the words that I liked that I want to incorporate in here. So I'm just kind of arranging these and trying to figure out exactly how I want them on this page. This has come together actually quite quickly. I encourage you guys too, if you have not created a new page for this new year, do it and put some intentions on there. Write a little note for yourself. You can even do a little vision boarding type. Whatever you feel called to do, it would be great to do early on in this new year. I like to make it a point, though, to not put pressure on myself to do everything, by January 1st. Clearly, I'm a couple weeks behind. But there can be a lot of pressure there to start clean on the first day of the year. And I take the approach of easing into it a little bit more. So I hope you're able to do that as well. We don't need any more pressure on ourselves these days, right? All right, this is looking pretty good. Just going to add a little bit of details, as I love to do on these pages. A little bit more bits of color. And then that just about wraps it up. Again, thank you for being here. Happy New Year. I know, like I said, I'm a little behind on posting. We've just had some personal family situations going on, but we are all good, and very much looking forward to this new year and to creating with you in 2026. So exciting. I hope you are all doing well. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Please say hello in the comments, introduce yourself, and I will talk to you later. Cheers.